Hey y'all, it's your boy Rally Rail. I'm under the weather, I'm sick. Today is December the 2nd. I'm sitting in my bed. Couldn't go out last night. Couldn't go out last night and do a video. I'll be bumping in the club. So I'm sitting here eating my KFC. I guess this is a sick mukbang. I'm trying. I need to find something to watch on TV. I don't know what's going on. I'm just sick. I'm coughing, sneezing. My head hurt. I just got finished watching TGIF with Claudia Funky. Such a good show. Sheila called me this morning while she was at the gym. Actually, talked to Jamal yesterday. I didn't get to go out with them. I wonder what they did. I don't know who I went out last night though. Hey to my party crew. I'm under the weather. Your boy ain't in it. Your boy ain't in it. Everything. These fries are good, but I like their wedges better. I wish they would have kept the wedges, and you can pick between the fries and the wedges. I would always get the wedges. I don't eat their bread or their coleslaw. I love their chicken, their wings. Look at a little chicken. Oh man, I'm sorry. The food getting smaller and smaller, and the price is getting bigger and bigger. Oh look, this is a left eye. Look. I should have been at the gym with Taylor, but I'm sitting here eating KFC. What I need is me some Ozempic. Somebody got some Ozempic out there. They don't want it. He sent it to me. I'll take it. I will take it. I might try a piece of bread. That's not high bread. Will anybody else do this when they have their thigh? Oh, we're gonna do it. I don't know why, but I just like to take that bone out. Yeah, it was supposed to be talking to me, but by him, I've been too busy eating. I've been forgetting to talk. I didn't know the half a gallon of sweet tea at KFC. I didn't know it had to come with the meal. You can't just buy it. You can't just go there and say, "Can I get a half a gallon of iced tea?" Unless they lied. Because that's what they tell my mama. They have to come with the meal. I told you, I don't go to restaurants. Somebody will go ahead good. I'm sick right now. I don't feel like cooking. I tried to cook them wings the other day and I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I was so discombobulated and so confused. Oh. No, that was a good choice though, cause that was good chicken busting. But I ain't ate since them chicken wings. I ain't feel good. I ain't feel like eating. I need to feel like that more often. Don't feel like eating. I need to fast. I wish I had the mindset and the strength to fast, do a water fast for a month. A 30-day water fast. Or I look like, what they used to call it back in the day? Heroin sheet. I don't know. Oh, I'm murdering this. We talking shit, like KFC up. All right, one more piece down. I think I'm gonna save that for later. I don't even know what you call this. I had 3 pieces of chicken and a piece of bread, a thing of coleslaw, 3 pieces of chicken, a piece of bread, a thing of coleslaw, fries, and a sweet tea. Oh. I had my sweet tea. I had to put it in my cup. Do you feel like when you drink out of a straw, you can't stop? You can't stop sucking? Pause. Okay, guys, that's it. A little KFC mukbang. I see y'all guys when I feel better. Bye.